Good afternoon, THF YouTubers. Today we did a 2015 Dodge Ram 2500. We upgraded these factory ugly projectors that are chrome to these beautiful Morimoto XB headlights, guys. Makes it look like a 2019. Nothing like it. What's beautiful about it even, guys, it comes with a built-in sequential turn signal. Check it out. You want to make your 2015 or anything, your 2009 to 18 Dodge Ram look like a 19 in 2 hours? Let us know. You can turn on the headlights. They're quad. Got low beam and high beam, so what that is the shutters opening that projector up. So again, guys, if you have this these ugly reflector headlights, you might want to update to these Morimoto 2019 lookalikes. There's nothing else like it on the market. On the eBay, yeah, they have some cheap ones, but they're not built-in LED. They're halogen inside. Hit us up, DM us, whatever you got to do to get in touch with us while they're in stock. Limited while supplies last, guys. Take care.